Magnets are objects that create an area of magnetic force called a magnetic field. These fields by themselves are invisible to the human eye. Magnets only attract certain types of metals such as iron, cobalt, and nickel. They are not attracted to things like plastic, gold, aluminium, or glass. Magnets have a north pole and they have a south pole. If the same pole of two magnets are close to each other, they will repel or push each other away. If different poles are close to each other, they will be attracted to each other or they will pull together. Magnetic objects must be inside the magnetic field to respond, which is why you may have to move a magnet closer to one another for it to have an effect. Unlike poles attract or pull, and like poles repel or push.
Well, hello there, and welcome to our study of the force, or in particular, contact and non-contact forces. Now, today's experiment is going to be exploring one particular non-contact force, which is magnetic force. And now for this one, what we are going to need is, come closer now, we're going to need magnets, blue tack, thread, and 2 paper clips. Now, the purpose of this experiment is to explore magnetic force, or in particular the magnetic field and how magnetic objects are affected by magnets. Now, the procedure for this experiment is quite simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take our blue tack and we're going to stick it to the table just like so. We're going to take our 2 paper clips and we're going to take our thread, and what we're going to do is we're going to tie our thread to the paper clip. And once we have that tied on, like so, we're then going to take the other end of our thread and we're going to tie it to our other paper clip. Just like so. So we have one end of our string attached to one paper clip and the other end attached to our other paper clip. What's going to happen next is we're then going to blue tack one of our paper clips down to the table so that it's nice and snug and not going anywhere. And we're going to take our magnet and we're going to use it to attract our paper clip up in the air to be able to measure our magnetic field from one magnet to the paper clip. Once we get outside that magnetic field, that attraction stops and the paper clip falls. Just like so. Now, the stronger the magnet, the stronger our magnetic field, and the greater distance from the paper clip before it loses its attraction. Use the force. Use the non-contact force. It's as simple as that, guys. Give it a go.
I tried it.